Crawford and Brinkman is Central Illinois' home for quality windows, doors, retractable awnings, and garage doors. Whether for home or business, fast and friendly service is our way of doing business with free estimates, quick repair service, in-home consultations, maintenance checkups, and more. And with a variety of styles to choose from, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. For over 50 years, homeowners have trusted Crawford and Brinkman for quality installation and superior products. Contact Crawford and Brinkman Door and Window Company today.